Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate a protest image on Gemini. Here's my prompt, but you can edit it to whatever like the sign you want it to say, I guess. And this is the prompt. So it's going to generate image. You can obviously also place it wherever you want it to be. And here is the final photo. Free Palestine, by the way. I stand by that and I will always stand by that. So yeah, this is the result of the picture. Obviously just protest for reals and not do this, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and free Palestine.